Now in this example, we can see how to link cells between worksheets. So it's kind of similar to the last example. What I've got here is the stock number, the price, the postage and packing, which has yet to be derived. And then over here, if I click on this, you can see this is going to add up the contents of this cell and this cell. So what I want here is the postage and packing. Now in the previous example, we had everything on the one worksheet. In this case, we've got postage and packing on a separate worksheet. So in this case, I'm going to click here where I want to display the information. So I want to display the postage and packing information here. However, that's on the other page. So what I do is I type in the equals, then I go to the second worksheet, which is down here, and I just simply click on the cell I want to select and press the enter key, and I return to the first worksheet. And if I click within here, you can see rather than having to remember all this complicated syntax, it's done it for us. So basically in here it's saying this equals the contents of cell A4, but on this other worksheet, which is the one down here. So that's how you can link cells between worksheets within a workbook.